Now I'll show you how you can purchase your domain name as well as your hosting. But before I do that, I do want to define exactly what a domain name is as well as what hosting is. Your domain name is the URL that users go to access your website. So an example is google.com, yournewwebsite.net, or yournewwebsite.org. When you purchase the Wix hosting, they give you a free domain name with a majority of the hosting plans. Essentially, you want to select a name that's attributed to your business, but it's not too long that a user can type it in and easily get to your destination. I would say for best practices, don't have a domain name that's longer than 15 to 20 characters. On the safe side, I would say 15. Now, we'll define what hosting is. Hosting is allocated storage online that you have for your website. Now, just like your domain name, you also have to pay for your hosting. Hosting is ultimately the largest sum of money that you pay for your website annually. Typically, you can expect to pay about $100 to maybe $200 contingent on what you need. The more storage you need for your hosting, essentially the cost will go up. So for instance, if you have a storage unit with your belongings in it, the smaller spaces will be a smaller cost and the larger spaces will be larger. Or another example is with your phone. If you have a 32 gigabyte phone, that's one price, but 64 gigabyte is another. The same applies to your website. 10 gigabytes of storage would be a lot less than 20 gigabytes of storage. If you don't know exactly what plan to select with hosting, because you're unfamiliar with how much storage you're going to use, you can go ahead and select the basic hosting plan, and then later on, if you need more storage, you can go ahead and buy that. Now we can go to the process of getting your domain name as well as your hosting. This is the website right here. It should be your template that's shown. If it's a blank template, it'll be white, or if you pre-selected another template, you'll see that design there. You can click on Upgrade to Premium here, or you can select Upgrade Now on the right. Once you click on Upgrade to Premium, you'll see a screen that looks quite similar to this. It shows you all of the hosting plans. Now, as discussed before, the more storage you need, essentially the cost goes up. So, the basic plan is 1 gig, combo is 2 gig, unlimited is 10 gig, and e-commerce and VIP is 20. With e-commerce, that is for a store. So if you do intend on selling any products, you will have to buy the e-commerce. You can't buy any of these other plans unless you intend on hosting your store on another type of platform or on another website. But if you actually want your products on the inside of your Wix website, you will have to use e-commerce. They assume that when you have a store, you need more storage, so there's about 20 gigabytes here. Notice with the combo plan, unlimited, e-commerce, and VIP, it shows that it comes with a free domain name. I'm not a big fan of the Connect domain package because with that, you're going to have Wix ads on your website and it will not look professional. So if you have to buy the package that costs less, where you can get the bang for your buck, I would say go ahead and purchase the combo plan. As you scroll down a bit more, it shows you all of the other features that you have with the other plans. Of course, you can select what's best. We'll go ahead and select combo. You can see here it shows all of the combo plan subscription options that you have for pricing. Essentially, the more that you commit to, the price point goes down. So 3 years, you'd get a better deal, and then the next down from there. 2 years, yearly, and then you have the option for month to month. Most common individuals do yearly. So I'll go ahead and select that, and then I'll click select. From here, you would then fill out your payment information, and then you'd select submit purchase. Now, you might be thinking that you need something else, such as, let's say, an email box, or let's say you want to commit to buying Wix bookings, or there might be another application that you want. Once you fill out this information here with your credit card information, and you're done and you submit purchase, that same card will be on file. And so after you purchase this, you can then go through the process of purchasing any additional items that you may need.